Tonight's Cook With Me isn't sponsored by Tower. However, £25 this was. Plug it in. And people say, why haven't you just used a wok? But these sides here don't get hot. Whereas in this, all of that gets hot. And we will show you what we're cooking. Won't we, babe?
We will. Getting all the ingredients out.
That's what's rustling.
The background.
Here we go. Let's unbox the box.
I've opened the window, he's fuming because it keeps flapping him in the face.
Flapping and laughing.
So, we've got some basic ingredients, some water. We're going to make it all in one pot. Got our onions, carrots, chopped tomatoes. Oh yeah, mince. We have the puree. So this is going to be huge. We are going to have this for lunch tomorrow before we go home. And our pasta. This is going to be like a one pot cooked together, which is quite nice, isn't it? So if you could do this, even if you're outside camping, you could plug that in outside and have like a sit together. So let's see how we get on. I think the food and hygiene rating's just gone down. There seems to be a chef in the house.
You need a little set of whites, don't you, Rust?
Oh, 1 kilogram of mince has gone in here, 5% fat mince. I said it in the other videos. Comment in there, make a comment if you agree. Them new vacuum pack they put the mince in, it's a nightmare to.
You can't get the bloody mince.
You have to
separated.
bash it. So this is huge. I feel like we're feeding like the 5000s making this, isn't there?
Where's my light gone off?
Oh, probably got a bit heavy-handed. How are you enjoying the cook with me?
Do you know what? It's very romantic. It could be a scene from Ghost.
Well, that means one of us is dead.
I could come behind you and hold that spatula.
Okay. And then you need your own spatula.
Yeah.
So it's all starting to break down now. Smelling nice actually, isn't it?
Beautiful.
We have got all the windows open. Okay, so mince,
Mid sauce.
carrots.
Put one of these in?
Not yet.
No.
Not yet. You want to really put them in, don't you? Paul's getting impatient.
The pasta's
Because
not
the
in
dinner's
yet.
normally unbelievable. Paul normally clicks his fingers and his dinner's on the side, so he doesn't realise the process that has to go into it.
This takes 20 minutes.
It takes 10 to 12 minutes.
Right, okay.
And it's going in there with that to cook as well. Just follow the process.
Okay, trust you. I trust you.
Keep stirring, mate.
That's what I'm doing.
You got a rhythm with it?
He's a dancer.
So now he will insert 2 tins of... No, don't from high, it'll splat everywhere. Oh my God. Chopped tomatoes with herbs in a tomato sauce.
1 tin.
1 tin.
Learn from your mistakes.
If anyone is at this campsite and hasn't got any tea, we will have enough for the 5000. Is that right, Rust?
No. It's all ours. Come and knock the door.
You look like you're actually enjoying yourself.
Do you know what? It's quite therapeutic having a cook-off with you.
Pot. Pasta. Coffee. Some bottles of water.
It's the pasta for the campsite as well.
Yeah. I'll do some tea for a week.
You can underestimate me. I'll eat it. Look at that.
Where's your stirrer, mate? With this, I'm going to get pasta in there. So you can use a bit more.
Plenty. Never measure pasta, can you?
Oh no, I think you said you'd rather yours meaty, wouldn't you?
Meaty.
So let's sprinkle one more, well, let's sprinkle 1 oxo cube in. It's actually smelling really nice, isn't it?
Smelling lovely. Like Rust?
An oxo cube.
Another bottle of water going in.
Yeah, and then we're going to put the lid on. And let nature do its course.
Now, it looked really thick earlier.
It's a little thick, not now.
But that looks dead watery now.
Yeah, but it bubbles, doesn't it? Don't panic. Trust the process.
Okie doke.
Put a bit more tomato. We've got to show you, but we did put some tomato puree in.
She's not measuring anything. It's just a chuck of this, a chuck of that.
And we put our herbs and spices in.
Right then, lid on.
Let's stir it. Giving it a quick stir.
Shielding myself from the splashback.
You don't only splash back on that Villa shirt.
We don't.
You see it's bubbling and thickening and the pasta's getting thicker. You see?
It's the same size.
No, pasta gets bigger.
Pasta doesn't grow.
Pasta grows.
Doesn't grow.
It grows. Honestly, pasta grows. Put in the comments to Paul that pasta grows.
Is it a grower or is it a shower?
Pop your lid on then. I've got some facts for you.
You're looking smug.
Pasta.
You're looking
Yes.
very smug.
Pasta absolutely gets bigger when cooked. It just doesn't just look bigger. It physically expands because it absorbs water. What actually happens, dry pasta is made from semolina, durum and wheat and water and then dried. When you boil it, water absorption, the pasta soaks up like a sponge. Starch gelatinization, then starch granules swell. Protein softening, gluten structure relaxes, pasta becomes tender. Volume expansion, shape increases in size and weight. On average,
Right, that one's...
right, the weight increases by 2 to 2.5 times, and it roughly doubles in its size.
Right.
So when you have 100 grams of dry pasta, when it's cooked, it's 200 to 250 grams of cooked pasta.
If you go and get a piece of pasta out the pack
You wait in a minute till that's done.
and put it against a piece of pasta that we get out of here,
Shape matters.
that won't be double.
How have you not noticed your pasta's bigger?
I've never noticed that.
This is looking beautiful. So the pasta has got bigger. Whoa, steamy. But this is, it smells beautiful. So putting the pasta in there has thickened it all up and put all the starch together. So this is looking absolutely. We are not far off eating now, Paul. There's some hidden vegetables in there for Paul.
No, because I can see them.
Mushrooms. You can eat a carrot though, can't you?
Carrots are love, see in the dark.
Look at that, how thick that's coming. So I'd leave the lid off now, babe, and I'll go and get all the other bits. And you get stirring.
Okay, thank you.
One cannot wait and has found the tiger bread and is dipping straight in. You could eat, I suppose you could. I'm going to put cheese on. Is it nice?
Yeah, if you get all the mushrooms into your half, we don't need plates, we could just divide it. Mushrooms, you cheese, you could just eat out of it.
Keep stirring while I get the plates. Is it nice? We are going to love you and leave you. We are going to tuck into this.
Tell you what, that looks Boston.
Paul's got his bread and butter. And I've got my cheese. Paul doesn't like cheese, so I've got some low-fat cheese. Let's go.
Bro.
That was lovely. I'm so full.
Got all that left.
But look, we've got enough to look. So if you were a big family, is that worth £25?
Oh, I'm absolutely stuffed.
It's still going though.
I've got a tiny little bit left, right, but to do that in there, it's just easy.
It's gone really thick now, look.
And we've had a bowl each. Rusty's had a bowl. And look how much is left. Oh.
So what you got for lunch tomorrow?
We got that.
What you got for tea tomorrow?
We got that.
What you got for breakfast tomorrow?
Oh.
Well, we will be back next week for another video. We're going to actually now go and watch the Winter Olympics and chill in bed watching it. Probably feeling very full and stuffed. Thanks for tuning in. If you've enjoyed it, please like and comment. It really helps our channel.
Well, not just like and comment. You've got to subscribe. It's free. Subscribe. Hit the button. Love it. Thank you.
But everything helps us. Our channel is really growing.
It's
This
good,
is
yeah.
we've only been going about 10 weeks now, and the kind of feedback we're getting has been really amazing.
Yeah, all a great bunch as well, aren't they?
Yeah.
Whoever we speak to. We follow a lot of YouTubers and watch their videos, always comment. A lot of them are on like Facebook community as well, Instagram. They're a good bunch. We're all a good bunch, and we all share the love together.
So on that note, please like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you next week. And you know what's coming next, don't you? Our theme tune.
Was it?
Two seats forward, sunrise breaking the night. Mountains breathing, lakes holding the light. We don't chase north, we follow the sky. Two seats forward, just us and the drive.